Good morning to all. I am Lakshmi Shankari from final year CSC department. My teammates are Abhirami, Kausalya. We done our project under the guidance of Mrs. Kalayarasi, Assistant Professor, Agni College of Technology. So, our project title is Prediction of Crop Yield Using Machine Learning. Our domain is machine learning. First of all, I tell about what is machine learning. Machine learning is one of the application of AI that provides the system ability to without experience being explicitly programmed. Aim and objective in machine learning, one of the supporting tool is crop yield prediction. Crop yield prediction in the during the crop season. In this way, farmers achieving the minimum cost and maximum crop yield prediction during agriculture prediction. Problem statement: crop yield prediction is an important problem statement in machine learning. We know about the accurate history of crop yield prediction in the cultivating the crop to grow. Literature survey, author Ganesh Kumar Ramlata, year 2018. Domain and algorithm machine learning. Advantage: easy to implement. Drawbacks: must have knowledge on Bayesian probability and Bayesian. Bayesian is one of the algorithm. It is more process to time take.
In our project, proposed system is decision tree. Decision tree is nothing but it's a mathematical tool that present all the alternative prediction and outcomes in the flow type of diagram, which having the trees with branches and leaves. Leaves at the bottom of the branches. It have the possible outcomes. Proposed algorithm. In our project, we use KN algorithm. KN algorithm is nothing but it's a key nearest neighbor. It's a simplest machine learning on the supervised technique. It's assume the similarity between the input use or case and the available cases that put the new data into the which value is similar to the category. Architecture diagram. First we collect the data set from the already trained from the Google. After that, data cleaning. Data cleaning is nothing but it's remove the unwanted data. After that, we use the apply the KN algorithm, which value is nearest to our data point. Then we predict what crop to grow. Data set. In our project, we use CSV. CSV is nothing but it stands for comma separated value. Comma separated value. It's a data file. Store the database. It contains rows and columns. It store the text file in such that rows are separated by lines and columns are separated by colon and semicolon. Modules. In our project, we use first we collect the data. After that, pre-processing. After predict the model and output. First we collect the data. It will be existing from the Google. After the pre-processing. In this pre-processing method, it remove the unwanted data. After predict the model, it will predict what crop to grow. After that, output, it shows the crop. Conclusion: the system use supervised machine learning. It will reduce. It helps to reduce the. It will give the best accuracy compared to the existing system, and also it reduce the system which face the farmer. We run our project in Anaconda prompt and we give the value, input value by the manual, nitrogen value, potassium value, sulfur value and water level, temperature. We give the value, then it will be calculated by using KN algorithm, which value is nearest to our data point. Then it will be predicted. This is our output, which crop to grow. By giving our input value, it will shows garlic. Thank you.